And in this week's episode, we are doing
Before we get started, help support the KR Show by donating to the Cash App. Every donation is appreciated.
As you can see, I'm rocking a KR Show t-shirt. You get this at the KR Show merch store. As you can see right here, I'll leave the link below. Make sure you get one of these. Help support the page. We are trying sweet Sunday house barbecue, baked potato chips. I'm gonna get my sauce. You see how it tastes. So, you can get these at any store, supermarket, basically anywhere. It's a decent price. As you can see, nice design on the bag, nice look. As you see, nice color to it. Like the seasoning, I got flavor to it. Like a little orangey. Like a little pumpkin slices, you know that? You know, pumpkin flavor, whatever they got out. Alright. Let's give it a try. Okay. Let's give it a try, and I'll get my thoughts on it. 3, 2, 1.
Wow! On a scale from 1 to 10, my friend, you're fucked.
Whoa. It has a nice, there's a nice flavor to it, but also has a kick to it. There's a 5-6 second delay. Didn't get real spicy, but you can taste the flavor. Nice crispy taste to it.
God damn it!
It has that barbecue flavor to it, but also it has a kick to it as well. You get that little spice, like delayed spicing on that. It's pretty good. But it's also pretty spicy as well. That's the kick to it. No pun intended. I recommend this for barbecues, parties, Super Bowl parties, football parties, stuff like that. You want to just casually have it, around, watching sports and movies or stuff like that. And don't forget, beware, this does have a kick to it, so prepare for like a 5-6 second delay, and then you'll feel the spice to it. So, what will I give this out of 5? I give this a 4.5. Pretty good, pretty decent. You see, nice texture, nice look to it. So, like I said, this ain't really that long. I'm gonna leave it, let time take over, give out the shout outs. So,
Thanks, Kay. I want to give a shout out to Las Vegas. And also shout out to Houston and Dallas, Texas. Also South Carolina, Detroit, Philly, Chicago, and New Orleans.
Don't forget about Hong Kong, Tokyo, Japan, Shanghai, China and Quezon City, Philippines.
Miko, what are you doing here?
I come to help with the shout out and bully my way in this episode.
And finally shout out to Canada, Bangladesh, Nigeria and the United Kingdom. If you like us to give you a shout out on the next or future episodes, leave a like or comment in the comment section.
thanks for joining us. Check out our next episode. Don't forget, get you a t-shirt from the store, link below. Till then, it is what it is.
Make sure you check out next week's episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and the Facebook page.